Good morning, everyone. Adhay Mehta, Arman Shetty, Avtar Shetty, Ishika Chaudhary, Balraj Singh, then Sugandha Mishra, Arpita Singh, Nindita Vasudeva, Ikrit Kaur, Shashank Mishra, Kavya Trehan. Okay, welcome you all in today's class. So, yesterday, Kavya, he asked me some questions that we discussed. One is that why we are going with HCF, and in some questions we are going with LCM, right? Like there was a question, if two friends they are running on a track and one person is taking 2 minutes and another person is taking 3 minutes to complete the round. If we have a track, right? If one person both starts from the same point, person A and person B, they start running. If one person takes 2 minutes and another take 3 minutes, if we have to find the LCM and HCF of. So HCF, we are saying highest common factor, but it is always either less than both the number or can be equal to the smallest number. HCF, highest common factor. Factor is the part, some part here. Whereas LCM is lowest common multiple. So lowest common multiple is either greater than both the number or it can be equal to the bigger number, right? So when two persons they start traveling in the same direction and taking rounds. So the question is after how much time, so we will take their LCM, right? So this is the main difference between LCM and HCF. HCF is a smaller one, right? So if we are talking about there was an area related to circle, one question related to track, right? So let's discuss that question also. Go on. There are so many questions, good questions based on track. Track is generally, this is the circular part straight here. Same this side also. So the width of the track, that is 10 meter. What is the width of the track? The width of the track is 10 meter. This distance here, this distance here is 10 meter, right? Exactly here this distance is 10 meter. And to inner track the distance is 60 meter. The distance is 60 meter. So what is the radius? Radius is of inner track, that is 30. Half of 60 is 30 meter radius. Diameter of the semicircle, that is 60, right? So inner track and outer track, the radius of the outer track will be 10 more. 30 plus 10, that is 40 meter. Okay. So here what we have, the two parts. First we have to find the perimeter of the distance of the inner track. Distance of the inner track and the next is the area covered by this track. Okay. So distance this distance it is given, the distance is 106 meters. 106 meters. So here one semicircle this side and one semicircle this side will make a circle. So first part, so you can go on solving. So we have some few more students here: Nandita Vasudeva, Ikrit Kaur, Shashank Mishra, Kavya Rehan. Good morning, dear. Then we have Anuraj, Rana Parul, Arushi Birla, and Satnam. Okay, she is Simran Preet Kaur. So welcome you all in today's class. So here distance of inner track, that is 106 plus 106 plus 2 pi r, right? That is 2 pi r. So here we have that is 212 plus 2 pi, we are taking 22.7, and r, that case is 30, right? So you can solve the calculation and find the radius. If approximately it is a very standard track, those students who took part in the races or have the idea of this track, is a standard track of 400 meters. You will find something near 400.5 meters. This distance, although in your book they have taken it in the fraction, but the inner track it is 400 point something 5-meter track, or you can say approximately 400 meter track. The inner length of the track, that is 400 meter. It is a 400 meter standard track. The person who is running just along this inner track, he will complete a distance of 400 meter. So you have seen some races like we have seen in the movie Bhag Milkha Bhag. He was also a runner of the 400 meter, right? I hope all students you have seen that movie Bhag Milkha Bhag. Okay, so here one athlete he sits here, one student next one here, next one. In this way, the athletes they took their positions, because the one who is choosing the last lane or outermost lane, he has to complete, he has to travel more distance. So in order to avoid, in order to give them all 400 meter distance, their positions are given in this way. One A person is sitting here, B is here, start from here, C is here, D is here, and E, so on. Generally 6 or 8 tracks are there. It can be 10 meters or 1 point something meters, so 8 tracks are generally in this standard track. Okay, so here we can it is 112 plus 188.5 something. In your book answers they have remained in the fraction, right? So it is 400.5 something meters track. Area, that is very simple. This is a rectangular box. This area 10 into 106, that is 1060. This area, same this area, that is again 1060. So area is equal to 1060 plus 1060, both rectangular parts. And here one semicircle is from this side and one semicircle that is from this side. They will make a ring, and we know area of a ring. Area of a ring is equal to pi r2 square minus r1 square. R2 is 40, this distance, one distance is 40 here, and the R1 is 30. So we will, so here this area, this is the area of the ring here. Area of the ring, that is pi is 22/7. Second part, that area is equal to 2000, sorry, this 2200 plus pi, that is 22/7 into r. R2 is 40, 40 square is 1600 minus 900, 13 to 30, 900. So here we have 200 plus 27 into 7 multiplied by 700, right? So here what we have, you can check here, it is 106, 106. It is not 2200, that is 1060 here, to 0, it is 220, 220 plus this one here 100, so answer is 2120 plus 2200, so answer here is 4320 meter square. Area of the track, circular track. Most of the cases in some of the bigger cities, these tracks are your very beautiful tracks, synthetic tracks, right? So the area calculation, that is very, very important. It is real life situation example. Okay. So here, thank you Shashank, it is not, it is 4 exact calculation she is saying 400.57 meters. So thank you Shashank, and 4320 meter square is the answer. Very good. Let's take few more questions. One more question, Kavya Turhan, he is asking, see, about the pair of canyons. Whatever I have understood, if we have a circle, right, and we have a tangent here, right? So here in this circle, one more tangent. So here, what we have, that A and B are the points of contact. A and B, point of contact. Now his question is, if P is the point, now we know, we have learned that AP is equal to BP, right? AP, this is the point of contact here, and we know this one is also 90 degree. This one is also 90 degree. O is the center. So here, if we are joining one line from here and anywhere, if any point is here, P is the point, and we are joining. See here, this is also a tangent. We just touching the one point is B and one point is E. Try to understand here. AB is equal to BP. Confirm. And BE is equal to TE. Right? Meaning they by here, this side and this side they are equal, and this one and this one they are also equal. Now, the perimeter of this triangle, you can very easily prove that perimeter of a triangle is always equal to perimeter of the triangle, that is PDE, is equal to, that is AP plus P, the length of the tangents. You can check, right? Because here, what is AP? AP is equal to PD plus AD, and similarly BP, that is also equal to PE plus EB. So just framing the equations, we can find that the perimeter of the triangle is PDE is equal to sum of the length of the sides. This tangent, length of the tangents, right? So always the perimeter of this is equal to the length of the pair of the tangents. Okay, that is BP plus AP. So you can prove in this way. Let's take some questions. You have the question, grade 9 based question. Try to solve. Or it is a graphical question. Question is, it was asked in the final exam last year. Question is, you have to plot the graph, right? Two lines, one is x plus 3y is equal to 6, and the another is 2x minus 3y is equal to 12. So you have to plot these two lines, and you have to tell where these lines intersect each other graphically. Question was, you have to plot these lines graphically, and you have to mention what are the solutions. Okay, where these two lines intersect, the point of intersection. So this is grade 9 based question, but asked in the final exam. So you have to write the equations, you have to find the solution of these both linear equations. We know that a linear equations in two variables represents a line. So we can start here, right here, this x is equal to 6 minus 3y. So we will make a table here, right? X, y. If y is 0, x is 6. y is 0, x is 6. If y is 1, x is 3. And if y is 2, x is 0. These are the equations, these are the solutions of the first equation. Similarly, second one we can write that x is equal to 12 plus 3y divided by 2. And same when we find the solutions for this line, even two solutions are more than sufficient to plot a line, because if we have 2 points, we can draw a straight line through these 2 points in a particular direction. Right? So 2 points are more than sufficient. In grade 9, we are taking 3 points. In grade 10, if you are very much accurate about this calculation, 2 points are more than sufficient. Right? If we have a graph, this is the x-axis, y-axis, this is the y-axis, right? Y dash, x, x dash, right? X dash means these are the negative axes, 0, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? In the same way, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, so on. -1, -2, -3, -4, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, so on. 4 quadrants, first quadrant, second quadrant, third and fourth. Right? So we will plot these two equations. Let y is equal to 0. Y is equal to 0, x is 6. And if y is equal to minus of y is equal to 2, or y is equal to -2, right? So it is 3. So these are the two equations. First one is x is 6 and y is 0 here, and x is 3, y is -2 here. This is the one line, equation of a line which is passing through. Why I am discussing one thing, it is all about representation. One student, he was a very bright student, but his skills, they are very poor regarding drawing the lines. And I will tell what is the mistake he committed. This part was right, but here, this is the equation of the line, that is your 2x is 2x minus 3y is equal to 12, and this line 3 1, x is 3, y is 1, x is 3, y is 1, and one point is same here. So line, even here, one point is 2 0, 0 2. So when we plot because this question is graphically, you have to represent this question graphically, you represent. So what we have, this is the equation x plus 3y, x plus 3y is equal to 6, right? X plus 3y is equal to 6. Now what is the mistake by the students? When they are plotting they have not found this point. So you can find any other points, 0, 6. It seems from this point that okay, solution here, the point of intersection is point of intersection. Section, that is your 6 comma 0. But the person, he took some different points, and when he was plotting these two lines on the graph, he both lines, they are not intersecting on the point 60. So all students, those who are doing this kind of question, particularly for this question, confirm solution is 60. If on a graph you are not able to plot the lines which intersects at 6, 60, that means examiner is going to deduct some marks from this question. Okay, minimum 1 or 2 marks he can deduct. If this part is right, this part is right, but if two lines they are not intersecting on the same, then examiner will deduct the marks, right? So Kavya Trehan, sir, video has stopped. Harman Pal Singh, good morning. So other students, please provide me the feedback. As Kavya is saying, sir, video has stopped. It might be from your side, that internet issues from your side, but here is moving well, smoothly. So other students, please provide me the feedback. Okay, no video. Okay, thank you, Parul and Sashank, Arpita also. So let's take few more questions. So question is, let's take the question. Question is, if secant theta into sin theta is equal to 0, sin theta is equal to 0, then find the value of theta. Then find the value of next question. One more result, that is in the book, also in the, so here theta, here Shashank, theta is 90 degree. Then Sugandha Mishra also, thank you brother. Here theta, when secant theta is what? Secant of theta can be written as 1 upon cosine theta, right? So here this can be written as sin theta upon cosine theta, that is equal to tangent theta. So if tangent theta is equal to 0, tangent theta is equal to 0, it is only possible when theta is equal to 90 degree. Theta is 90 or theta is sin theta upon, so 90 degree, sin theta upon tangent Is it so? Tangent theta sin theta is equal to 0, sin is equal to, and theta is equal to sin 90. Hence theta is 90. How you are writing sin theta is equal to 0. Sin theta is 0, then sin theta is equal to, this is secant theta. So you can check the table here. Sin theta upon cosine theta is equal to tan theta, and we have learned the table. In table we have the value 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, under root 3 by 2, and 1 sin, and it is 1 under root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2, and 0, right? So what is the tangent upon, that is 0 here, sine upon cosine, right? That is 1 by root 3, 1 under root 3, and it is not defined, right? So tangent, so theta here is, when tangent of theta is equal to 0, tangent of theta is 0 only when theta is equal to 0. Sorry, theta is 0. Secant, right? The shark here theta is 0 because sin theta is 0, right? So thank you. Next one, take few more questions. Question is on construction. You can send on WhatsApp also. I will discuss one construction question. The construction question is also confirmed in your exam, so you should practice all kind of questions which are coming in the exams. So here we have a question: construct a tangent to a circle. Question is construct a tangent to a circle of radius 4 centimeter from a point on a concentric circles. Construct a tangents to a circle of radius 4 centimeter from a point on the concentric circles of radius 6 centimeters. 6 centimeters. Okay, like yesterday also some students they have sent me, especially Shashank Mishra. Well done, you have sent your response on WhatsApp, and it was the right construction last time also. Other students, you can also construct beautifully these construction questions and WhatsApp me. Okay, I can check if some mistake is there. Okay, even after class you can send. So here what is the concept? Two circles. One circle is having a radius of 4 centimeter and concentric circle having a radius of 6 centimeter. Now we have to plot the pair of tangents from one point, right? So what we will do, we will join and this is the point of contact. What we will do, we will, this is the 4 centimeter total, this is 6 centimeter here, right? Now we will find the half of 6. So half of 6 is what? Half of 6 is 3. So here with the help of perpendicular bisector, right? So here from this point we will draw one more circle. From this point we will draw one more circle, and where this circle so here these are the points of tangent, point of contact, not contact. Yes, from point P on inner circle, these are the, this is the one tangent. This is the one, and this is the another one. Let me discuss how we are doing. From any side, any direction you can do it. We have drawn 2 concentric circles. One circle of 4 centimeter, one is of 6 centimeter, right? Now what we have done, we have joined center O. Concentric circle means both the circles, they have the same center. Both the concentric circles are the circle which have the same center. Now one circle is having radius 4 centimeter and another is having radius 6 centimeter. So what we have done, with the help of by angle, we have took the midpoint here and we have joined the one. We have plotted one circle, and where the circle is plotted, these 2 points are the points of contact. These are also the pair of tangents. Same. And generally, this question can be of earlier. This question is of 4 marks. Okay. So now it can be according to your marking scheme or the pattern. Although it can be of then 5 marks or can come of 3 marks. But confirm this kind of construction question is surely example will ask. Okay. One is construction and one is graph. So graph, the previous question which I have discussed, pair of linear equations, that is also important one, right? So let's take few more questions, right? So you have to evaluate all students are requested to send your doubts, whatever doubts. Like yesterday, Kavya, he has asked some questions. Okay, so whatever your doubts are there, you can just WhatsApp me. If these are from NCRT or addition or any simple paper, you are most welcome. Evaluate sine of 90 upon cosine of 45 plus 1 upon cosecant of 30. Very fast. Take one more question. For x, solve the following quadratic equation. quadratic equation is 4 under root 3 x square plus 5x minus of 2 under root 3 is equal to 0. Solve for x. Quadratic equation is given, that is 4 under root 3x square plus 5x minus 2 under root 3 is equal to 0. Yes, and go on solving two parts. One is this quadratic equation and one is this one here. So substitute the value. Sin 90. Sin 90 is 1 and cosine of 45. Cosine 45 and sin 45 they are one and the same, that is 1 by root 2 plus 1 upon cosecant 30, that is reciprocal of sin 30. Sin 30 is 1 by 2. See here, sin of 30 is 1 by 2, so here cosecant is equal to 2 here, right? See here, sin of 30 degree is equal to 1 by 2. So what is cosine of cosecant of 30? That is 2 here, reciprocal. We know sin of theta is equal to 1 upon cosecant of theta, right? So in this way, we can write this one as under root 2 upon 1 plus 1 upon 2. So here LCM is 2. So we have 2 under root 2 plus 1, right? This is about the answer here, that is 1 by 2 into, that is 2 under root 2 plus 1, right? This is about this question, 1 out of 1 question. And here quadratic, you can use quadratic formula also, or you can use the factorization method, whatever convenient you have, right? So here Arpita Singh sir, 2 under 2 plus 1 by 2. So it is also right. If you want to, but you can make it a single term, under 2 plus half. Thank you, Arpita. So next one. Here, what is A? A is 4 under root 3. B, that is 5. And C, minus 2 under root 3. So we know the quadratic formula, that is the x is equal to minus of b plus minus under root d upon 2a, right? Where d is the discriminant, where d is the discriminant is equal to b square minus 4ac. What is the discriminant? Discriminant is equal to b square minus 4ac. Substitute the value and solve for x. Quadratic equation is there. It is not mentioned by which formula, whether by completing square method or by simple factorization. So you have the option. You can solve by any of the method, right? So here minus of b, that is minus of 5 plus minus under root b square. B square is 25, minus will get plus 4ac. 4ac, 3 into 8 into 4. 3 into 4 into 8, right? So we have 12, 144 upon 2a. 2 into, that is A is 4 under root 3. 2a. 8 under root 3. So this is equal to minus 5 plus minus 169 divided by 8 under root 3. So we have a minus 5 plus minus 13 divided by 8 root 3. So these two values we can find. One is minus 5, right? So this is all about today's class, right? So thank you very much and start working on some important questions, examination point of view, right? So with this, thank you very much. God bless you all. Stay safe and stay healthy.